There I was, broken, abandoned, tossed aside, left to be forgotten. My surface was rough, scarred, worn from the years. I felt like debris without value or purpose. But then, he chose me. He saw something more in me, a story waiting to be told. He took a hold of me, knowing that within me there was hope, something worth saving. In his hands, my transformation began. With each turn, each movement, rough edges were smoothed away, and something new started to emerge. I was being shaped, crafted into something with purpose. Every cut was deliberate, revealing the hidden beauty within. The imperfections that I had been ashamed of became the very features that told his story. With careful hands, he polished me and refined me. I was no longer abandoned. I was new. I had purpose. I was rescued and restored.
This vase, once discarded and forgotten, now holds life, beauty, and purpose. Like this vase, I too was rescued, restored, and given new life. Through God's grace, my brokenness became my strength, my past became my testimony, and my story became my purpose. I am rescued and restored.